नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JBN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी माहेश्वरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट इन ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In today's session, we are going about discuss the sales and marketing. In this subject, our third topic is what is marketing. So let's start about what is marketing. Marketing refers to activity a company undertake to promote the buying or selling of products or services. Marketing include advertising, selling and advertising products to consumer or other business. Some marketing is done by affiliated on behalf of a company. Professionals who work in corporations marketing and promotion department seek to get the attention of key potential audience through advertising. Promotion are targeted to certain audience and may involve celebrity catchphrases or slogans, memorable packaging or graphic design and overall media exposure. Marketing refers to all activity a company does to promote and sell product or services to consumers. Marketing makes use of the marketing mix, also known as 4 P's: product, price, place and promotion. At its core, marketing seeks to take a product or services, identify its ideal customers and draw the customer's attention to the product or services available. Marketing as a discipline involves all the action a company undertakes to draw in customers and maintaining relationship with them. Networking with potential or past them. Networking with potential or past client is part of the work too and may include writing thank you emails, playing golf and prospective clients, returning calls and email quickly, and meeting with clients for coffee or a meal. As its most basic level, marketing seeks to match a company's product and services to customers who want access to those products. Matching product to customers ultimately ensure profitability. Product, price, place, promotion are the 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's collectively make up the essential mix a company needs to market a product or services. Neil Warden popularized the idea of marketing mix. Neil Warden popularized the idea of marketing mix, and this concept of 4 P's in 1950 is established. In 4 P's, first P is product. Product refers to an item or items the business plan to offer to consumer. The product should seek to fulfillment and absence in the market or fulfill consumer demand for a great amount of a product already available. Before they can prepare an appropriate, marketers need to understand what product is being sold, how it stands out for its competitors, whether the product can also be prepared with a secondary product or product line, and whether there are substitute product in the market. Second is price. Price refers to how much the company will sell the product for. When establishing a price, company must consider the unit cost price, marketing cost, distribution expenses, and companies must also consider the price of competing product in the marketplace and whether their proposed price point is sufficient to represent a reasonable alternative for consumer. Third P is place. Place refers to the distribution of the product. Key consideration include whether the company will sell the product through a physical storefront, online, or through both distribution channel. When it is sold in distribution channel, storefront, what kind of physical product place does it good? When it's sold online, what kind of digital product placement does it get? Fourth is promotion. Promotion is the fourth P, is the integrated marketing communication company. Promotion include a variety of activities such as advertising, selling, sales promotion, public relation, direct marketing, and sponsorship marketing. So promotion vary depending on what stage of the product life cycle and product is in. Marketers understand the consumer, associate a product's price and distribution with its quality, and they take this into account when devising to overall marketing strategy. So marketing refers to any activity under by a company to promote the buying and selling of service and customers. These are the marketing. So in simple word, we define what is marketing. Marketing is the action of business of promoting and selling products or services, include market research and advertising. If you work in marketing role like I do, it's probability difficult for you define marketing even though you see and use it every day. The term marketing is a bit all and variable for a straightforward definition. The definition is the selling part, for instance, overlaps a little too snugly what is sales definition, and the word advertising makes me think of madman brainstorming session. So marketing refers to any action a company takes to attract an audience to the company's product or services through high quality messaging. Marketing aims to deliver standalone value for prospectors and consumers through content with the long-term goal of demonstrating product value, brand loyalty, and ultimately increasing sale. At first, I wondered why marketing was a necessary component during product development or a sale pitch or retail distribution, but it makes sense when you think about marketers have the firm's finger on the pulse of your consumer persona. The purpose of marketing is to research and analyze your consumers all the time, conduct focus group, send out survey, study online shopping habits, and ask one underlying question: where, when, and how does our consumer want to communicate with our business? Here let's explore the purpose of marketing along with type of marketing, the 4 P's of marketing, and difference between marketing and advertising. Where you are marketers looking to refresh your definition or a beginning looking to understand what marketing is in the first place, we got you covered. Marketing, first one is purpose of marketing. Marketing is the process of getting people interested in your company's product or service. This happens through market research, analysis, and understanding your ideal customer interest. Marketing pertains to all aspects of a business, include product development, distribution method, sales, and advertising. So modern marketing began in the 1915 when people started to use more than just print media to endorse a product like TV, and soon the internet entered household. Marketers could conduct entire campaign across multiple platforms, and as you might accept, over the last 70 years, marketers have become increasingly important to find tuning how a business sells a product to consumer to optimize success. In fact, the fundamental purpose of marketing is to attract consumer to your brand through messaging. Ideally, the message will helpful. Today, there are literally dozens of places one can carry out marketing company. Where does do it in the 21st century? So second is types of marketing, where your marketing campaign life depend entire on when your customers spend their time. It's up to you to conduct market research that determine which type of marketing and which mix of tools within each type is best for build your brand. Here are several types of marketing that are relevant today, some of which first one is internet marketing. Internet marketing inspired by an extreme product campaign that took place online. The very idea of having a presence on the internet for business reason is a type of marketing in and of itself. Second is search engine optimization. SEO, this is the process of optimizing content on a website so that it appears in search engine result. It is used by marketers to attract people who perform search that implies they are interested in learning about a particular industry. Third is blog marketing. Blogs are no longer exclusive to the individual writers. Brands are now publish blog to write about their industry and nurture the interest of potential customers who browse the internet for information. Fourth is social media marketing. Business can use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and similar social network to create impression on their audience over time. Next is print marketing. As newspapers and magazines get better at understanding who subscribe to their print material, business continue to sponsor articles like photography and similar content in the publication their customers are reading. Next is search engine marketing. This type of marketing is a bit different than SEO, which is described above. Business can now pay a search engine to place links on page of its index that get high exposure to their audience. It is a concept called pay per click. It will show you an example in this. Next is video marketing. Video marketing is there are one just commercial. Marketers now put money into creating and publishing all kinds of video that entertain and educate their core customers. These are the types of marketing. Next is difference between marketing and advertising. Marketing is if marketing is a wheel, advertising is one spoke of that wheel. Marketing entails product development, market research, product distribution, sales strategy, public relations and customer support. Marketing is necessary in all stages of business selling journey and it can one spoke of a wheel. Marketing is the numerous platforms, social media channels and teams within their organization to identify their audience, communicate to it, amplify its voice and build brand loyalty over time. On the other hand, advertising is just one component of marketing. It is a strategic effort usually paid for to spread awareness of a product or service as a part of more holistic goal above. Simply, it's not the only method used by marketers to sell a product. Let's say business is rolling out a brand new product and want to create a company promoting that product to its customer base. This company channel of choice are Facebook, Instagram, Google, and its company use of all spaces to support its various company every quarter and generate leads through those company to broadcast its new product launch. It publish a download product guide it to website, post a video to Instagram its new product, and invest in a series of sponsored result on Google direction to a new product page. Now, which of the above decision were depend of totally marketing and which were advertising? These are the difference between marketing and advertising. The advertising took place on Instagram and Google. Instagram generally it is not a advertising channel, but when used for branding, you can develop a base of followers. Where did the marketing take place? This is the best bit of trick question. These are the difference between marketing and advertising. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving sessions. Thank you.